how to do text animation on Adobe After Effects. So what you need to do is on your After Effects, click on the T option at the top and then go to this black screen over here and press on it to add any text. So I'm going to write Kevin is good. So this is just a text I want to animate. Once that is done, this is added over here on the timeline. I can click on it and this red line is basically just the text, like, on the timeline. Animate it at the right corner. I have this character option. From here I can choose if I want it to big, small, or just change its everything in it over here, just like this inside character. Now inside of effects and presets are all the thing you need. So over here different effects basically provide you different animation option. So let's say I want to add a glow. What I can do is search for glow and add dimensional glow over here, and you can see it's a bit glowing over here. You might not see it, but it has that little whitish glow to it. You guys can see it because I added glow. Now if I remove it, it's gone. Now there are different kinds of animation over here. You can select. I cannot go through all this. You can see there is so many animations over here. Now these all are not animations. Some are for utility, some are for tracking time. So you need to know what kind of text animation you need, and you need to search it from here, drag it and drop it over here. But that's basically the most simplest form of text animation. Or you can also press on this button over here to get this drop down menu. Click on transform, play around with keyframe over here to enlarge it, to move it here and there if you want to do custom animations. So there are tons of animation you can do on After Effects. You just have to search what kind of animation you want for your text. That's how we guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.